wanna be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello.
Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Audra,
And I'm Cheryl.
and this is Straight Talk.
Straight talk about divorce, guys.
Mm-hmm.
We're not holding back.
No, we're really not, because quite frankly, it doesn't benefit you and it doesn't benefit anybody else around you to try to sugarcoat some of the heinous things that can happen during divorce. And one of the things I find that happens is a lot of people are trying to sell me things when I'm divorcing. Oh, now there's going to be two of you. Everybody, try to get a sale in. You need new insurance. You need a new house. You need a new car. You need a new loan. You need new everything. I mean, what kind of things have you gotten hit up for?
Oh, I mean, just anything. But I think what's important for people to know is that we're not here to sell you anything. We're here to help you, and we're here to provide maybe just a little bit of knowledge that we both have as we've both gone through a divorce. Which brings me to you, Audra. Audra is pretty awesome, guys. Of course she's awesome. We know that. But she's particularly helpful for those who are going through a divorce because she is a certified divorce lending professional.
Mm-hmm.
And there are not many of those. So that's a mouthful. So Audra, please tell us what that's all about and why that's important and what services you provide your clients.
Absolutely. And Cheryl's going to pretend like she's you guys out there listening, right? Just asking questions as to what this means. So if everybody's trying to sell you something and your attorney is saying, well, you got to figure out your financing options. No. When you're trying to figure out your financing options, you're getting to a person who needs to earn their living by you closing a loan, okay? So that is not non-biased. That is not a consultation that looks at your life and says, here's a realm of possibilities that exist for you, Mr. or Mrs. Customer. And as a certified divorce lending professional, backed by the Divorce Lending Association, we have the opportunity to present a divorce real estate report, okay? This is something that you can actually pay me a flat fee for. I never have to do your loan. In fact, as a mortgage professional, I'm not allowed to charge you a fee, period. End of story. It's against the rules. We could go into compliance, but this is straight talk and nobody cares about that. It's a no, okay? And for the Divorce Lending Association, with just offering you a plan, not quoting you specific rates, but saying, hey, here's where you can actually go look at average market rates put out by Fred, the St. Louis, good gracious, I hope that you can edit this, but you can look online for general average rates put out by the Federal Reserve. That's possible. And then you'll know what the average is. But having somebody lay out your possibilities side by side.
So is that what the plan's about? It's just a comparison shopping all in one that you're providing.
Yes, it is. It's looking at if we were to do an equity buyout, which means giving your house some of the money in the home, or giving your spouse some of the money in the home from the equity, but you retain the home, equity buyout. Maybe we need to totally redo the loan because you can't afford it without your spouse. Maybe we need to whip you in, Cheryl, to sell it.
Because maybe you need to sell your home, and that's unfortunate, but it's a reality in a lot of cases.
It really is, and it's hard, especially for women that have raised their kids in a particular home. There's this, I've got to stay sane and stable. I have to keep the kids okay, right?
Oh, absolutely, because your children, they're everything. They should be the center of your world, both for you and your soon-to-be ex. And it's your job and our jobs to help protect them and put them in the best situation.
Yeah.
And this isn't a great situation, but protect them as best as we can.
And if you're not going to be able to be home because you've got to work 5 jobs to pay the bills and you can't raise your kids and the TV is going to raise them, sell the freaking house.
Right.
Straight talk.
Straight talk about divorce.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's messy. A lot of times it's messy.
Yeah, it really is. So, as a certified divorce lending professional, side-by-side analysis, cannot charge you a fee from the mortgage side, but if you just want the data to look at it as that CDLP, I'm never going to be able to push you to buy a mortgage. It will be a consultation. So there's two realms that I can show up for you. There are a handful of us. So you could go to the Divorce Lending Association. You can look a little bit more up about that and find a certified divorce lending professional and get to learn more specifically how it might benefit you. But the big picture is that we look at the big picture, all of it.
And it's really important, guys, to have someone who specializes in that and who's been there and knows what they're doing, because your financial assets are your biggest assets moving forward, and you need to protect yourself and your kids.
Yeah, definitely. Well, this has been Straight Talk.
Straight talk about divorce, guys.
We'll see you soon.